So we got another package, and this is from, as usual, Amazon, because I rarely trust Flipkart on all this stuff. Now even Amazon, if you see, they're just providing the box, whatever the product comes in, and just this cardboard type envelope. I think it's just protecting the environment. I don't know how it will help. Initially they said that the boxes are recyclable, but let's try to open it up and see where it goes. I think this is the entry point of this. Yeah. Then another box, and then this is renewal of license, something on AHDBT-901. I think that corresponds to the product model number. I have a USB type C cable here with type A on the other side, and then have some velvet touch to it, and it's basically battery charger AHDBT-901. It's applicable for GoPro 9, 10, 11, 12, and it's basically a USB type C charger. I have two batteries, so I was thinking to get one because charging them is very difficult right now. So it can accommodate 3 GoPro batteries, and we'll test it right now, see if it can charge. So here I have my 65-watt charger, and you could see that the lights have turned green here. Let me find one of the batteries and let's put it here. So it's red, means it's charging. So yeah, it's working. This light is too much. I think all because of the Chinese. So this I've got it from Amazon. It's basically Yantralay product. It's also a brand which imports all the Chinese product and sell it in India. So it has one lock mechanism. It's flimsy, but I think it will do for the price that I've got for. It's basically I got it for $6.99, and even on their website it's mentioned more. Usually their website will have a kind of 10 to 20% off from the price that they quote on Amazon, just because of the commission. But I think ClickTech is the retailer on Amazon which takes this product from the manufacturer and then sells it, and if the product is not selling, so they'll try to lower the prices even lower than the price they would have bought. I'm not sure how much margin they have, but still for $6.99 I think it's a good deal for 3 charging, right? So yeah, that's all for the video. I'll drop the product link in the description if you are interested to, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see how much time it takes to charge my batteries, and maybe I'll update the description and thumbnail on that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.